If you're stuck trying to figure out what products to sell in your online store, this is the method that I use to go from an idea to a validated, profitable product with supplier options in under 10 seconds. I used to spend hours bouncing between Amazon bestsellers, social media trends, supplier sites, and Google Sheets. And all of this just to get a rough sense of what might work. And honestly, half the time I still got it wrong. So in this video, I will show you the exact steps that I take now to research product trends based on real data, validate if a product idea is worth pursuing, and find suppliers that I can actually work with. So let's get into it. My first step is to spot a trend or idea. And let's say I'm browsing Pinterest and I come across these yoga pants. It looks like an interesting product to sell. But instead of just saving the image and hoping for the best, I want to dig deeper and find out if this is just a cute product or maybe it's part of a growing trend. Can I actually source something like this? And if yes, is it profitable? So I am moving to the next step, validating the trend with data. Here is where most people stop, or at least get stuck. You try to guess from reviews on Amazon or see what shows up on TikTok. But instead of guessing, I head to my desktop and use this AI sourcing engine that combines Amazon rankings, Google Trends, and supplier data into one place. So I can just type yoga pants trending, and what I get back is a full trend breakdown in the business research tab. It shows Google Trends analysis for this product that helps me understand that actually the keyword leggings is much more popular and yoga pants is more niched. And I really liked what they suggested here as an actionable insight to capitalize on the leggings category by expanding product lines to align with broader trends in athletics. We also get here Amazon trend analysis, which shows that specifically high-waist tummy control yoga pants have the biggest search volume, while two other themes have lower demand. So ideally, we should focus on the high-waist yoga pants. Then you can even click on these gray bubbles with additional details, and it will show you market analysis with average monthly sales, as well as specific products with their price and monthly revenue on Amazon. You can even click on one of these buttons to source similar products, and Accio will give you the results with verified suppliers. We also get here market projections for the yoga clothing market to reach 212 million by 2029. And if we scroll down even more, we will see which actual suppliers are offering this kind of products, with prices and minimum order quantities. So within minutes, I know if I'm chasing a saturated idea or getting in early on a growing one. And that gives me a rough idea of the product prices way before I even talk to any suppliers. Now, the next step is to actually find suppliers without endless searching. So now that I've seen the data and confirmed that this niche looks promising, I want to find a supplier, ideally one that I can trust. And here is what I used to do. I would go on Alibaba, I would scroll through pages of results, I would open tabs for 10 different suppliers, message each one of them and wait hours or even days for a reply. Now, I just go back to the platform and I use something called product search. And you should know that more than 1 million small and medium businesses are already using Accio, and over 400 million products from global leading marketplaces, including Alibaba, AliExpress, Europages, and more are included here. And over 1.5 million verified suppliers are connected to this platform. I'll try this time a product description that says pastel ceramic mugs, 200 units, shipping to US, minimalist design preferred. It takes a minute or two, but instead of keyword matching, it understands my full request. It filters suppliers based on product features, delivery regions, even verified status. I get a list of real products with full details, which requests were matched, who is verified, and how responsive the supplier is. You can even send queries to your suppliers directly from here. I can hover over the mugs that I liked and check this box on the word compare. See, I selected 4 products and I clicked on this compare button, and at the bottom of the screen, now I can get an easy table with all the details for each supplier, so it's easier to pick which one I want to work with. This kind of filtering used to take me hours, but now it takes maybe a couple of minutes. On the next step, I'll often use AI image-based search. So let's say I saw a product in person, I found it on Pinterest, or someone sent me a photo, and I don't even know how to describe it properly with human words. Or maybe I want to change something specific in the product, like the color, change the style. So you can click on this image search icon, then I'll just upload an image that I saved from Pinterest. And what's interesting, you can combine image search with the text that you submit. So here I'll just type similar dress in different colors. And in a few moments, I will find lots of actual products with prices. We have a black dress of the same shape and an orange dress. Or we could do the opposite. I could just upload this mug with a bright colored pattern, and I'll just type other products like t-shirts, dresses, pillows, etc. with similar pattern and style. And just like that, we will find lots of products with a similar color scheme and pattern. So let's recap what this workflow looks like. I start with an idea or a trend that I've seen, then Accio helps me validate it using real data from across the internet. I find suppliers who already sell something like it, and Accio gives me a comparison of prices and features in one place. No spreadsheets, no bouncing across 5 platforms, no cold emailing. It's all in one place and it's free to try. You probably already noticed that to use Accio, I didn't need to pay or even provide my credit card information. And honestly, it's what I wish I had when I started out. It's designed for e-commerce sellers, brand owners like us who want to move faster and make smarter decisions. If you want to try this exact process, I've dropped the link to Accio below. You will see how quickly you can go from an idea to sourcing and validation. Let me know in the comments how this workflow works for you.